car, James, with your hands up or you're gonna get bit. This is your last warning. Step out of the car, you're gonna get dog bit.
It's a warning moments before a man was bitten several times by a K-9. Now the family of this Brevard County man is considering legal action against the sheriff's office. They claim the use of a K-9 to arrest him was unjustified. I'm Stuart Moore.
And I'm Michelle Imparato. The sheriff's office posted video of the man's arrest last week on social media, but now people are commenting, questioning the deputy's actions. West 2's Patrick Perez is live in the newsroom. And Patrick, you spoke with the man who was bitten by that K-9.
Yeah, and this arrest happened last week. He was wanted for violating his probation. He claims he was following deputies' commands, but it does not appear that deputies believe that.
I'm down, I'm down, I'm down, I'm down.
Video posted online by the Brevard County Sheriff's Office shows a K-9 takedown of a wanted man.
I got out the car and they released the dog on me like as soon as I got out the car.
According to an arrest report, this happened last Tuesday near Cocoa after deputies pulled over a car 27-year-old James Corona was riding in. Court documents show he was wanted on a warrant for violating his probation, which Sheriff Wayne Ivey says Corona knew about.
Yeah, she said that she had called the bail bondsman and they told him that there was a warrant for him, and so he knew.
The probation was part of a sentence for a reckless driving involving alcohol conviction last May.
Step out of the car, James, with your hands up or you're gonna get bit. This is your last warning. Step out of the car, you're gonna get dog bit. Come out to us with your hands up.
You can see in this edited video by the sheriff's office, Corona had his feet and arms out of the car right before a deputy released the K-9.
They said they were going to release the dog if I didn't cooperate, but I didn't understand because I was cooperating.
We showed the video to James Smith, a former law enforcement officer and now criminal defense attorney who is not connected to this case.
And in this instance, you have an unarmed suspect. He doesn't have a weapon. He's not presenting any danger at all to anyone, and he appears to be complying at that point with the orders. So the use of a K-9 to me would appear to be excessive.
Give me your arm! Give me your arm! Oh my God! Oh my God!
According to his arrest report, Corona had to get treated at a hospital following his encounter with the K-9.
It was very painful. It still is very painful. The dog took a piece of my arm out.
Corona and his family believe the use of the K-9 was unjustified, as they claim he was complying with deputies' orders, and they're considering legal action.
We're human beings. We're not animals. That dog is an animal. That's why you had to get him off my arm, because he was attacking me. Really, I just want to reform. I want them to do better, to listen to people more.
So because the video the sheriff's office shared online was edited, it's unclear exactly how long deputies were commanding Corona to exit that vehicle. He says it was about a minute. We did reach out to the sheriff's office about that, as well as concerns about the use of the K-9 in this case. We have yet to hear back from them tonight. I will say the sheriff was there on scene, and he says that Corona was aware that he was wanted for that warrant. Live in the newsroom tonight, I'm Patrick Perez, West 2 News.